my name is Abha Sharma, your educator at An Academy platform. So, I have come up with this video that you have been wanting for such a long time to be on this platform. The 7 secrets to boost your confidence. So, guys, before beginning, let's see what confidence means. Does that mean that we will fly off the mountain and say, Yay, we can fly? And you all say, We can fly, and we fly off? Does that what we mean by confidence? I really don't think so. So, confidence, what is it? What do we mean by self confidence? Self confidence is a skill. Again, I'm using the word intentionally, the skill that everyone can master in order to be successful in their life. So, that skill is the belief in yourself to accomplish any task, no matter what are the odds, no matter what are the difficulties, and no matter what are the adversities are there in your life. So these 7 secrets are really going to help you to boost that confidence within yourself and be accomplished in your life. So let's see what's the superpower 1. So over here, we do have recognize your superpower. Does that mean that we can have lava out of our mouth, or yeah, I can just put that laser beam into your eyes? I don't think so. Again, that superpower means that something while you're doing it, you feel alive. You feel really, really confident and comfortable doing that particular thing. That I can do this thing really well, maybe with a bit of practice, bit of guidance, but I can really do this thing really well because I want to do it. That's your superpower. I love to make creative content. I love to, do creativity, maybe some craft and maybe some DIYs and create content for you people. So that is what makes me my best one. Okay, so that is your superpower. So let's see, and do tell me in the comment section that what do you think is your superpower, guys. No one is going to find it up for you. You need to find your superpower yourself. Let's quickly move on to the second one, that is choose your peers smartly. Now, what do you mean by choosing your peers? Peers are the people, the friends that you keep them around you. That means that they make your environment. Now, to quickly kind of, give you a very good example. So I put you up in a room where you need to live, you need to eat, you need to, do all the activities, and that room, your environment is completely full of garbage. Maybe some cans that are poking you, maybe some, garbage, badbu wala cheeze, all the mess around you. Would you be able to live over there? I really don't think so. Why? Because you're really, worried about your physical health, that it might get any disease or something. So, why do we keep such people around us and make our mental health a garbage? So you do not need those friends, or you do not need those people in your life who demotivate you, who poke you for your insecurities, who tell you you are not good, or who, makes fun of something that you are not good at. You do not need such people in life because they would always be clinging on to you to make you and bring your confidence down. So choose those people that are right for you. Take out the garbage and just throw those people out of your lives, guys, who are not meant to be there. You need people who are honest to you, who are genuine, who motivates you and who believes in you and make you feel a little bit more better about yourself. Okay, guys, now let's quickly talk about taking care of yourself. So there's a very good quote. If you feel good, you look good. How can you feel good? When you will invest your time, invest your efforts in making yourself feel good and look good. If today I will not take a bath, if tomorrow I will not take a bath, after 10 days I would be really smelling like a dump. And what will that make me feel? That will not make me feel good, and I will not feel good, I will not look good, and that will decrease my confidence, that will decrease my motivation to go out and do anything. So, taking care of yourself is the very first thing that you need to work on. Go ahead and keep your hygiene healthy. Eat good food, drinks lots and lots and lots of water, keep your physical health fit, and try to invest in time in your studies or something that you really love doing. That is taking care of yourself. Do tell me two habits in the comment section that you actually do to take care of yourself, because no one is going to do that for you. Let's quickly move on to the fourth number. So, now in the starting, I told you that confidence is a skill that you need to master. So, how can you master something like confidence, okay? A skill. So you can be confident about something that you are comfortable doing. So right now I am speaking English from past 2 to 3 minutes. Why I am so confident in speaking that? Because I have been comfortable speaking that language from a very long time. And for that very long time, I had to practice 10 times more, longer time in order to make that this comfortable for me. That means repetition, repetition, and repetition is required to master any skill you want. Any of the players you see over there, just pushing that bat up and oh, a sixer, oh, the goal. It is not done in one day. It is not done in 2 days, 2 months, or 2 years. It is a complete repetition practice, a repetition program that they go under, and at least they would have practiced that kick, that particular bat flow 10,000 times in order to be so comfortable doing that. And comfort brings out your confidence that, oh, this, I can do this definitely. So, this is how you are going to rule anything you want, by practicing, repetition, and persistence. Let's quickly move on to the fifth one. Now, this is one of my favorite things. How to make an achievement journal, how to keep an achievement journal. It is quite easy. So anyone who is close to me, people ask me that, ma'am, what do you think? What is one thing that you keep collecting? So one thing that is very very dear to me is diaries. I love to collect diaries, and specifically for a reason. I never fill them or scribble in them a lot. One thing that I actually do in them is actually, whenever I feel good, I just write something really motivating for myself. Like, Abha, you did this really well, and you are the one who is going to hit the goal. So, something like this actually makes my mood really, really uplifted at that particular movement. And, guys, how this achievement journal basically helps you to boost your confidence is when you are actually feeling low, you need to give the exam tomorrow, you need to play that match tomorrow. When you will read that journal and actually find something that you wrote for yourself when you were actually feeling very confident, it will automatically boost up your confidence, and this is how it's going to help you. So guys, do tell me if you are going to make a journal or you already do have in the comment section, and how does it help you. Over there, now the sixth one. So a very quick example for this one. So your teacher has been teaching a chapter to you from past 1 week, and now is the time for the oral test in front of the whole class. Now the teacher is picking you, like, who should I pick up in order to ask the question, and you are looking down, not me, not me. Why? Because your knowledge about that particular chapter might be a little less. So guys, this is something that actually decrease our motivation as well as our confidence when we are not knowledgeable of the fact of the thing that we are actually doing in our daily lives. So if it is studies for you, if it is a match for you, if it is your physical activity, anything creative, please go ahead and be put in efforts to gain knowledge of it. If you are really done with that chapter, you go up, spiking up in the class, and you're all upbeat in order to answer each and every question thrown at you. So for that confidence, you really need to put in the underground effort that is required. So go ahead, gain the knowledge. Now the most important thing is coming up over here. So I know, I can assure you, and I can write it on a paper and tell you that all of you do exactly the opposite of this. I know whenever there is an exam, whenever you need to play that match, whenever you need to do something good, you do exactly opposite of what is written in the next slide. And the positive self talk is never done. It is always the negative self talk that we do to ourselves. Before that match, we said, what if I go to that school and my foot twist, or what if my pen stops working when I was writing that exam, or what if I don't know the answer, or what if I go blank, or what if I just do not remember anything. So all of these things just bring your confidence from the star, all your efforts from the star to the underground pit, patal, what you say that, yeah? So you don't have to do to yourself. Everyone around you is there to demotivate you, okay? So हर इंसान आपकी लाइफ में है जो आपको कहेगा कि आप नहीं कर सकते, आप नहीं कर सकते, आप बहुत बुरे हो इस चीज़ में. What you can do for yourself is at least talk good to yourself. Okay, so positive self talk is very important for everyone. Boost your confidence yourself because everyone around you is there to break it. You need to boost it yourself, guys. Do that positive self talk that I am the one who is going to hit that goal. I am the one who is going to cook this dish very well. I'm the one who is going to score 100 or an 80 or whatever that may be. So, positive self talk is very important, and each and every superhero or sportsman that you see, they actually wear a band or maybe a ring in order to just make them remember that they need to do the self talk, not the negative talk. So this is something really important. What I used to do is I used to mark up a star. So whenever I used to look at the star, I used to stop that overthinking and start thinking the positive things. These things are really going to help you, believe me or not. Now, with that self confidence that we have learned right now, I am going to be very self confident and tell you the target of the month. That is 10,000 subscribers, guys. We can do it together. You have the self confidence in yourself, I do have that in myself, and we are going to shoot that 10,000 subscribers. It's very easy to do it. Make that red button gray, and how can you do it? Like the button, answer all the questions asked to you in the comment section, and you need to share this with your all good peers. Alright, so go ahead. Now I'm going to tell you some really amazing premium features of Unacademy classes. So over here you can see on this platform, using the code ALIVE10, you can actually have access to Unacademy Ask a Doubt feature, in which you can ask unlimited doubts any time of the day. You just need to click the picture and post it up on that platform, on the application, and you will get your answers, even if it is your homework or any doubt that you got in maths or science. Moreover, Unacademy subscriptions, it can be plus or iconic. We people have designed batches for you to make you cover your exhaustive syllabus of the newer classes, as well as the live session in which we would be teaching you. So we are releasing batches every week in order to make you up with that confidence and be very confident about your studies or academic career. These are the rate plans. Do not forget, by using the code ALIVE10, you can get a 10% discount. For anyone who wants exclusive doubt solving sessions, a particular time management and study management planner for themselves, their Parent Connect app, a mentor in order to guide you on each and every step of your newer classes, you need to go for the iconic subscriptions. All the details are on your screens and even in the links below. So over here, go to your parents, take that self-confidence with you and talk to them about these subscriptions. So do not forget, ALIVE10 is going to give you a 10% discount on each and everything on the platform. And also download that application right now. What we are waiting for? Come on, meet me in all the free classes, the special classes, as well as in the plus classes. Meet you till then. Again, my name is Abha Sharma and I'm going to meet you in the classes. Take care till then. Bye bye.